I got two things to say. Number one, whoever remixes this sound, I'll subscribe to their channel. I'm on the trampoline right now, that's why I'm bouncing. Number two, my shout out booth is not working. It will not let me put anyone in it anymore. So I am going to do this. How about if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to your channel. So, and you comment, I subscribed on this video, and I'll subscribe to your channel. And I know who subscribes. Whoever uses this sound, I will subscribe to their channel. I might have to subscribe to a lot of people. So, thank you. I am really excited to make some more videos. And please help me get to 50 subscribers. That is what I've been needing to do for a long time. That has been my goal forever. Because when I hit 50, I will get to do a live stream. So, yeah. And we found a bird on the trampoline dead. Yeah, it's pretty sad. We don't know how it got here though. Well, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.